RemedialOne YouTube channel. In this video, we have two diagrams on the screen, that is A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now in the diagram, A, B, C, D, E is a regular pentagon and B, F, G, H, I, C is a regular hexagon. So we have two polygons. One is pentagon, that is 5-sided, and the other is hexagon, which is also 6-sided. We are to find A, angle AED, B, angle BFG, C, angle DCI. So one thing about geometry is anytime you are finding the angle, the first step is to identify the angle. So angle AED, this is angle AED, this one. And then B, angle BFG. So this is the angle we are talking about. DCI. So this whole angle. Okay. Now let's see how we are going to do it. For this angle AED, this is one of the internal angles of a pentagon. And since it is a regular pentagon, it means that all the angles are the same. So to know this angle, we need to find the total number of the total angle, and then divide it by 5 sides. Okay, so sum of interior angle of a pentagon is n times 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. Yes, number of sides. Now the first one, this, we are looking at the pentagon. So if it is pentagon, then n is 5. So 5 times 2 times 180, which is 3 times 180, and we are getting 540 degrees. And as I said, if you want to find angle AED, then we divide this total angle by 5. So 540 divided by 5, and this is giving us 108 degrees. Okay. So let's look at the second one, angle BFG. This is also the internal angle of a hexagon. So in this case, n is equal to 6. So sum of his interior angle is equal to 6 minus 2 times 180, and this is giving us 4 times 180. So 4 times 180, which is 720 degrees. So therefore, B, angle BFG becomes 720 divided by 6, and when we do that, we are getting 120 degrees. Now let's look at the third one, angle DCI. This is the angle. Now we know this angle. Each of the internal angle of a pentagon is 108, and that of the hexagon is 120. Now this forms a circle here. So this angle plus this, that plus that, will give us 360. So that is what we will use. So C, angle DCP plus angle BCI plus angle DCI should give us 360 degrees. So we have 108 plus 120 plus angle DCI is equal to 360. So angle DCI will now be 360 minus, when we put these two together, we have 228. So 360 minus 228 is giving us 132 degrees. Yes. So let's go back and see how the scoring was done. Okay, now finding the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is B1, and dividing it by 5, the process of dividing M1, then the final answer A1. Let's come to the B part. The B part, in finding the angle dividing M1, the final answer A1. So the C, setting up this equation, equating them to 360, that is M1, then solving M1, and final answer A1. Viewers, thank you very much for your time. If you are watching us for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime we drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Bye.